It's time for your weekly dose of Maine things to do. It's your chance to hear about all the fun happening around our state this week. People send me their events through our website, newscentermaine.com/maine-things-to-do, and then we do this. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Rock.
Thank you. There are 3 jingle bells in there. First on the week, what? First on the list this week is the Sights and Sounds of Christmas at the Franco Center in Lewiston. This is a holiday tradition that brings families together to celebrate the season. The performance hall stage will be filled with holiday magic, featuring a wide array of acts, from ballet dancers and vocal ensembles to dramatic readings and poetry. You'll have Friday through Sunday to check out a performance. Just check out the flyer 4 times. The Christmas market at Juini Ridge Farm in Rockport is this Saturday. Stop by to shop for all your holiday needs. You'll find everything from Christmas trees to garlands to gifts. The event is indoors in a heated greenhouse, and it is from 9 to 2. A Christmas to Remember craft and vendor event is happening Saturday in Lisbon. There will be over 50 crafters and vendors in attendance to get that last-minute holiday shopping done. The event is from 10 to 3, and I'm told Santa will pop in for a visit from 1:30 to 3. The North Pole Express Christmas train is back in Booth Bay this weekend. Come on out and take the North Pole Express train to see Santa and Mrs. Claus at the North Pole. Enjoy a hot cocoa bar, arts and crafts, and more. You'll have Saturday and Sunday to catch a ride. The flyer has more info for you. There is also a holiday dance party this Saturday in Ellsworth. It's at the Ellsworth YMCA. Come together for an evening of dancing and good music, and don't leave that holiday attire at home. You are welcome to dress up. The event is from 7:30 to 9:30. All right. Pretty good list. Christmas must be coming or something. And that is Maine things to do this week. As always, if you know of an event or happening in your hometown or community, send it my way. Send it through our website, newscentermaine.com/maine-things-to-do. Try to give me at least a week's notice, although a 2 weeks notice would be better. I'm Samantha York, and remember, if you are bored in Maine, my gosh, it's your own darn fault. See you next time.